Hi, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about the Dell Latitude 7214 as compared to the Panasonic Toughbook CF-20. And the reason I picked the CF-20 to compare this to is, if you'll notice on the 7212, the screen spins around like this. Is that cool or what? Anyways, it comes around, pops down, and now I have a tablet style laptop. Well, guess what the CF-20 does? It does basically the same thing, but it doesn't spin. You simply pull that out and you can swap it around like this, pop it back in, lock it up, fold it down. Now you have a walk around tablet. CF-20 is going to be a little smaller than your 7214, as you can see. It's going to be a little smaller. It's also lighter weight, but what I like about the 7214 is that there's no removable parts. Basically, that screen just pops around and spins. You have the webcam right there and a nice big full-size keyboard. If you'll notice on the CF-20, the keyboard itself is going to be smaller, obviously, because of the size of the laptop. This keyboard actually is a backlit keyboard that you can change colors on. CF-20, this is a one color backlit chiclet keyboard that's a little smaller. Also, the mouse pad on the 7214 is a bit bigger than on the CF-20. They have both i5 processors, and but I will tell you about the the Dell Latitude 7214 it is a bulkier type laptop. If you notice, the handle is this large. It's going to be heavier than your CF-20. It does have a stylus, which I like the stylus. If you notice, it fits in the side here, so it's not flopping around all over the place. And also, if you take a look, they got some fantastic port covers. Take a look at this port cover. It's foam rubber that keeps the water and the dust out. It also has metal hinges. So those things aren't going to fall apart anytime soon. And if you were to drop it, you can look right here, it has rubber bumpers. See these rubber bumpers? So that when you drop it, it's like got a nice cushion. But I think the coolest part of this whole laptop, and I'm going to say it again, is the spinning screen like this. I think that's the coolest part of this laptop. That's basically all I got for you today. Please leave me your comments down below. If you have any comparisons that you want me to do, like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.